to your Order Dealer Pro app. And then finish creating that opportunity for Andy Young. So you would have went to Andy Young, the contact. For those of you who haven't done it, go to opportunities and hit new. Select purchase. Click next. And then Andy Young purchase order. The stage should be close 1. The type is a new customer. He's a new customer. The close date is today. And then hit save. And then the next thing that I want you to do is go ahead and add an accessory item because you guys don't have the inventory for the Michelin tires. And I want you to add that as an inventory item.
I'm sorry, Selena, did you put a type on there when you create the new opportunity, the purchase?
The type field is out of the box, so it was there already.
Okay. No, I was just saying, did you click on anything? Just leave it at none?
No, mine says, says new customer. New customer.
Thank you.
Okay, so now let's create an inventory item. So go ahead and hit inventory, hit new, and create an accessory. And this is what it should look like. It should say record type accessory. Option description is Michelin tires. Price is $200. Quantity is 4. And then save it. And now we just want to take this accessory item and we want to assign it to your Andy Young opportunity that you've created already. So go ahead to your purchase order here and add the Andy Young purchase order to the accessory inventory item. I want you to go to your inventory list and find the car that Andy bought. I don't really care what car you pick, just pick one of the cars that you added as inventory and assign it to Andy Young. Choose anyone that you want and add his purchase order to that inventory item.
Selena, this is Samita. Can you go back again? Like, how can I assign? How can I assign in accessory items to the Andy Young?
You have to create the accessory item first.
Yeah, I created with Michelin tires.
Yep.
And what's the next?
You have to add his purchase order to the inventory item. Same vehicle. So the steps are exactly the same. Anything that he buys, you add the purchase order to the inventory items that he purchased.
But how can I do that?
All you got to do is type in the name of the purchase order in the purchase order field. Remember, we talked about this when we created our lookup. When you create a lookup, you get this little magnifying icon, right? Magnifying glass. this is looking at all of the opportunities in your org, because this field is a lookup to opportunity.
Purchase service order
So
detail.
yeah, so just go ahead and click on that little magnifying glass and type in the name of the opportunity you created. You should have named it Andy Young purchase order.
Oh, hold on, I'm on the wrong screen. Okay.
You named it something else. Just type in the name of whatever it is that you named it.
Okay, it's in inventory.
So go ahead and assign the Michelin tires as well as a car to the Andy Young purchase order. When you're done, just put a green checkbox in the participant panel.
Okay.
At the end of the day, your org, your record, your opportunity purchase order should look like mine. It should have all of these details, and then on the inventory, you should have 2 inventory items.
It's 2 inventory.
Hold on 1 second. We're at time, and I gotta see if I have another meeting started.
Description.
Anybody having any trouble assigning the 2 inventory items?
I'm a little lost.
Me too.
So
This is Hamita.
I just missed the last step. I'm just like all confused.
So I have to drop. I have another call and we're at time, so I can't go back and review this again. Annabelle, do you have a couple minutes to go over this? Otherwise, you guys have to join for office hours to finish this process.
Actually, I do need to jump on something.
All right. So basically, I can tell you guys quickly, and you can try to figure it out on your own, or you have to join office hours. So on your opportunity, on your purchase orders, you want to link your 2 inventory items to your opportunity. You need to add these inventory items to the purchase order. So the way that we did it is we went to our inventory items, right? And we figured out which ones he bought. So this first one is my Michelin tire, and the second one is my vehicle. So you pick the inventory item or the vehicle, and all you're doing is adding the opportunity to the purchase order. That's it. See, I added the purchase order to the opportunity and I hit save. That's all you're doing. So you're adding 1 vehicle and you're adding the 4 Michelin tires by populating the purchase order field. You need to populate the purchase order field. If it's blank, it's not going to show on the purchase order. Okay? If you have questions, we'll see you on office hours, or we'll see you Friday morning, or send me an email.
Thank you.
All right, thank you guys, and we'll build a report on Friday morning before we start security.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, bye-bye.